welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and welcome to another Balenciaga unboxing. This is a very special one though, because these Balenciagas are like no other that I own. The style is different and they light up. These are the Balenciaga LED track sneaks. They're so cool. Unlike anything that I've owned since I was a child, to be honest. I used to have like really cool like light up, I think they were Skechers. Upgrade, can we say that? I'm so excited though. They're beautiful, they're gray, they're black, they're white. All the colors that are in these sneaks are absolutely like everything within my palette, and they're pretty much gonna go with everything. Today I'm working with Sofiakicks, and I had such a great time collaborating with them before that I decided to do it yet again. And let me tell you, if you could think of a shoe, they most likely have it within their sites. Their collection and options are just so diverse that's kind of like what drives me to wanting to work with the brand. If you could think of it, they most likely have it. So we're gonna be doing this Balenciaga unboxing. I'm gonna try them on, do a full-on Sofiakicks review. So if you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. I know what you're thinking, and I have to agree. This is the cutest vest that I have ever seen. Let me just do a little OOTD really quick, okay? Like I always do. But this is the fits I just have on this vintage vest. It's like a sweater vest, cardigan style. And there's some flowers, there's a kitty, there's a basket with like a bow on the hat. I think that's like a hat. I don't know, but either way, I just put on a simple gray tank, these Martine Rose X Tommy Hilfiger jeans, and this is the fit. You know, it's very cash, kind of like preppy meets street style in a way, which is kind of like my vibe most of the time. And these shoes are just gonna go absolutely perfect. So let's get to it. Let's get the unboxing started. Sofiakicks sent the shoes via UPS. This is how they arrived in a brown box just like this. And I'm actually contemplating, by the way, thinking about it, doing a Balenciaga style video where I show you guys all of my different Balenciaga shoes, because let me tell you, my collection is getting outrageous. Also, I want to say that these shoes arrived super quick, shipment was easy, and Sofiakicks was transparent with these shoes. So they actually sent me photos of these shoes prior to shipping them, just to make sure they were up to my expectations. But they're really in there, aren't they? We're almost there. There we go. Okay. Dang, that was a tight box. Here we have it, a Balenciaga shoe box right there. How beautiful is that? And it looks like it's in excellent condition, so of course we appreciate. Now the box does have a little sneak peek right there, so if you want to get yourself a gander of the sneaks, that is them. How beautiful. I am so excited. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. And this right here, all right, we're going to start off with a little discount. If you want to get yourself 15 bucks off, use code George. And that is also Sofiakicks information, so if you want to just, check them out, that is where you can find them. And of course, I'll link all that down below as well. But here we go. We got some gray vibes going on. What is this? It's a little Balenciaga bag. Are you seeing that? How cute. What is in here? Oh, a USB. Okay. Why? Because we're probably gonna have to charge the light up, the LED shoes, okay? That is why. That is pretty cool, I love that. All right, so we got the USB, they provided that is amazing. A dust bag as well, loving the gray dust bag. And some spare shoelaces, awesome. Okay, Sofiakicks is really killing it. So, now to the main course. we got the actual shoes. Oh my goodness. And there they are. I present to you. Oh, some authenticity. But I present to you the Balenciaga track sneaks. How gorgeous is that? Wow. There is so much going on. These are kind of giving me like mummy vibes. They're very like layered, and there's a lot of like wraps and definition in these. I cannot wait to break this down and show you guys every single detail, so let's get to it. Before we go any further, I'm gonna have to charge these because they are not charged, and I want to make sure I give you guys a full in-depth review. So let me charge these for a little bit and I'll be right back. For full transparency, I just want to make sure I'm showing you guys every single step. So I'm actually going to be charging them with the cord. This is the cord right here. And the charging dock on the shoe is right there. There's like a little plug thingy. I'm not sure if you could make that out, but right there. And it only requires like one little pluggy and it charges both the shoes. Not sure how long it's gonna take, we will see, but I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. They're officially charging, so it was not hard at all to make them charge, honestly. Like, that's how you just plug them in, and they light up red as they charge. So I don't know if they're gonna turn a different color once they're good to go, but we'll find out. Balenciaga LED track sneaks. Yes, they light up. These are the most wild pair of shoes that I'm adding to my shoe collection ever. Honestly, they are so crazy. There's a lot going on here, and I've not owned a pair of shoes like this ever. Light up shoes when I was a child, but this is just gonna be so nostalgic and fun, and I have occasions to wear these too, so I'm super excited. Let's start off though by checking out this crazy exterior profile. This is just nuts. I don't know why, but it's kind of giving me mummy vibes in a way. I feel like there's just so many layers and wraps, and it's very, you know, layered. There's so much dimension, it's kind of crazy. I absolutely love it. I feel like I chose the perfect colors. These shades of gray and cream and white and black are just gonna practically go with everything. So I played it safe, I know, but they light up. So you know what I mean? Is it really safe? No. I love how much dimension there is though. There's just literally so much going on. And branding wise, there's really not a lot of branding on these shoes. It does say Balenciaga right there, but that is pretty much the only spot. Oh, there's one more, but that's pretty much one of the only spots. It's not super logoed or anything like that, which I definitely appreciate. So they have a bit of a cool type of extension right here on the side, so I really do like that as well. And that's one thing that Balenciaga always does provide, it's shape. The silhouette never disappoints when it comes to Balenciaga shoes. They're so extraordinary, I love it. Now the interior profile is really not much different. Only thing we're pretty much missing is the Balenciaga logo, and it has like this part right here, which the exterior does not have, but again, it's just like layers. We'll get to the light up part in a moment, but first let's check out the front of the shoe, because why? It is beautiful. The first thing that comes to mind is just streetwear. Like, this just gives me complete street style vibes. It looks very urban. I love how much just character there is on the front of the shoe. The laces themselves are just super unique. I absolutely love the laces. They have all three colors that I mentioned earlier in them, gray, white, black. Absolutely love that. And there's just a lot going on, like the entire shoe. But the lip does have Balenciaga right there, and I like the fact that it has this little pulley thing. Also, the lip and the back have it, and that is the front. I mean, it's crazy, just like everything else, and it's beautiful. I love it. It does say 44 right there, and also BB, a mirror B for Balenciaga, right on the tip. Now to the fun part, the back of the shoe, where it lights up, okay? So the back has a lot going on, just like everywhere else. It has pretty much layers on layers, dimension everywhere, and it is crazy hectic, okay? That's that. Now they light up right here where you can see this kind of like, I don't know, bubbly looking part, and it's super easy to charge, by the way. There's a little port right there, and you just plug it in, it lights up. Now, I was a little bit nervous because I was like, okay, well, how do you even turn these on? I couldn't figure it out. I didn't bother looking through the manual, probably should, but yeah, I always do that for some reason. Anywho, I found out for myself. I brainstormed, okay? I tested. And where it says track, because these are the track Balencies, you press it, and look at that. So it has options. There's the red, blue, green, purple, pink, this beautiful aqua, which I think is my favorite, yellow, white, which I'd probably be using this the most, is like LED color. I feel like that's gonna just go with everything. A little strobe moment going on for you ravers, and flashing of the colors, and then like a faster version, and then like a blinking. So there's multiple options there, several colors, which I appreciate, and they're all loud colors. I wish they were pastel, but you know, you can't have it all. So that's the back of the shoe. That's the fun part right there. I mean, they're a really wild pair of shoes. That's the bottom, just so we don't forget. Always on the bottom of Balenciaga sneaks, they never disappoint. And that is that. So I'm ready to try these on and stomp around, a little model walk and light up, okay? So the interior is right there if you wanna take a look. It actually says on the inside, Balenciaga, contact your airline/railroad line service before traveling. I just realized these are like double laced in the front. What the heck? That is a lot. Okay, so there's like a lot of laceage going on. And as I'm putting these shoes on, I did not notice that. These are the type of shoes where I'm afraid to like untie because I'm not gonna like know how to tie them back up again. First off, they fit amazing. I got a 44, which is a US men's 10. And I have to say, I'm really relieved that they stay lit. Like they don't light up as you walk, like children's light up shoes. They stay lit for whatever preference you choose. And I love that. I'm super relieved. I didn't even think about how that was gonna work, but it would have been weird if they just like lit when you walked. You know, like that's like what the kids' shoes do, and I didn't want that. I think for the sake of the video and so you can see all the colors on the shoes, I'm gonna have it on like multicolor option. So they already feel so good. They're super comfortable. That's what they look like in the front. No, on the side. Oh. That is wild. And you can make them more sync, you know what I mean? Like you can obviously press them at the same time so they're going the same speed of light. Oh, speed of light. They feel super comfortable to walk in. Something else I want to make sure I mention is the fact that they are very comfortable. Like they are so cozy of a sneaker, and Balenciaga always has comfortable shoes. Like I don't think I've tried on a Balenciaga sneaker that did not feel comfortable on me. Regardless how big they are, I know they're intimidating shoes, but they're usually really cozy. Look at that light. How cool is that? Like they are so unique. I love it. And the cool thing is too, like it's not super bright. Like they're not blinding. They're not like too in your face, but you know, it's very urban. It's very street. It's very fun. I mean, if you want to wear these to a music festival, that's probably a great idea, but I will wear these honestly wherever the heck I want. These are the sneaks from an aerial view. And again, I mean, there's just so much going on. These are a very shoe for somebody that appreciates artistry. I mean, the dimension and everything that goes into these shoes, like they're not for the basic, the boring, the regular, the everyday folks. I have to say, like they're so cool. Do a little fit check here. So this is the fit with the sneaks. I feel like the gray and the sneakers really tie in with the gray in my top. And it's just such a cool feature. I mean, I don't think anybody would expect a grown-up to have like light up shoes like this, but I'm kind of living for it. All right guys, that's a wrap for this Balenciaga x Sofiakicks experience. I had so much fun checking these shoes out. They're literally the most crazy wild pair of shoes that I've ever owned. And as an adult having light up shoes, I feel super nostalgic, and you know, I'm tapping into that. I think maybe my light up shoes when I was little were like Jurassic Park ones, or were they Power Ranger? I don't remember. Or were they just Sketcher? No, there was cartoons on them. Either way, I have light up shoes now as a grown man, and I love it. I'm so happy. So Sofiakicks does not disappoint. Yet again, I had such a great time checking out their shoes and collaborating, and just the whole process is so swift and easy, and the options are insane. So do yourself a favor, use that discount code, check out Sofiakicks. I'm gonna link all their information down below in the description box. And while you're here, subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Click the notification bell and that will notify you whenever I upload new content. So that's a great way to stay in touch, as well as my Instagram at @georgeschirra, where you can find me on there. I have TikTok and stuff also, which will be down below in the description box. So if you want to follow me on other platforms, just go down below. And that's a wrap, guys. Until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.